Hello students, I am Prem Prakash Shukla, your mathematics teacher. Today we will learn about construction of angles using a protractor. How we construct angle using protractor. So first of all we have to know what is construction. So construction means drawing a correct and accurate figure from the given data. So first of all we have to know what is construction. So construction means drawing a correct and accurate figure from the given data. If data is given to us, then construction means drawing a correct and accurate figure using that data. So today, and this topic is taken from chapter 15, construction of angles using a protractor. How we can construct angle using a protractor? You see, the protractor is used to measure an angle. Okay, it is also used to draw angle also. So by using this protractor we can draw angles. So in this protractor, this cut is known as its center, and two scales are present here, that is, one is inner scale and another one is outer scale, and this is the baseline. So our first construct an angle of 70 degree. Construct an angle of 70 degree. So what we have to do? First of all, we have to draw a ray AB. This is our ray AB. Ray AB. Now place the protractor with its center A and the baseline on AB. So place the protractor with the center A and the baseline on AB. Now this way. Now what we have to do? Start from 0 and read the 70 degree mark on inner scale. Start from 0 from inner scale and read up to 70 degree. Yes. Read up to second and mark it as point C. Mark it as point C. Now remove the protractor and draw a ray. Now remove the protractor and draw a ray from A to C. So from vertex A to point C. So in this way we can construct an angle by using protractor. So here angle CBA equals to 70 degree. Now what we have to do? First of all, draw a ray. First of all we have to draw a ray AB, and next step is place the protractor at the taking center A. Place the protractor with center A and the baseline on the ray AB, and the baseline on the ray AB, that is, place the protractor center A and the baseline on AB. Now what you have to do? Now read from 0 to 70 on inner scale. Now on inner scale read from 0 to 70 and put a mark on C, and put a mark C. Then what you have to do? Then remove the protector and draw a ray from the vertex A to C. So in this way we can construct an angle of 70 degree. Now another example. Construction of an angle of 110 degree. 110 degree. So what we have to do again? Draw a ray AB. First of all, draw a ray AB. That is A and B. And after that, place the protector with its center at A. Now place the protector with its center at A. Now you see, place the protector at center A and the baseline along AB and the baseline along AB. Now read from 0 to 110 at inner scale. 0 to 110 here, and put a point, mark a point C. Now remove the protector and join the vertex A and C by drawing a ray. So in this way we can draw an angle of 110 degree using protector. Now our angle name is angle CAB equals to 110 degree. So in this way we can draw an angle of 110 degree. What we have to do? First draw a ray AB and place the protector with its center, and place the protector with its center at A, and place the protector with its center at A and along the baseline AB, along the baseline AB. Then what we have to do? Then read 0 to 110 degree on inner scale. Read 0 to 110 degree. You see 0 to 110 degree on inner scale. This is our inner scale. So 0 to 110 degree, and put a point, mark C. Then remove the protector and use a ruler. Use a ruler to join the vertex A with the point C. So now our angle, in this way our angle becomes 110 degree and angle CAB equals to 110 degree. Another example. Construct an angle of 90 degree. So what we have to do? First draw a ray AB, B. Now place the protector with its center A, place the protector with its center A and along the baseline AB, along the baseline AB. Then read from 0 to 90 degree on inner scale. You see 0 to 90 degree, 0 to 90 degree on inner scale. And put a point, mark a point at 90 degree C. Now what you have to do? Join the vertex A with the point C. So in this way we can construct an angle of 90 degree. So angle BAC equals to 90 degree. So this is the process to draw an angle using protector. What we have to do? We have to, first of all, we have to draw a baseline. First of all, we have to draw a ray AB. That is ray AB. Then place the protector with its center at A and place the protector with its center A and along the baseline AB. Now you see the protector is placed at center A and the baseline AB. Now read from 0 to 90 degree on inner scale, 0 to 90 degree, and put a point C at 90 degree. Now remove the protector and use ruler to join the vertex and the point C. Join the vertex and the point C. So in this way we can construct an angle using protector with the help of this protector. You see, this is the protector. In this protector, this is the center, and this is the center, and this is the baseline, and this is from 0 to 180 degree. This is our inner scale, and here from 0 to 180 degree, this is our outer scale. So always use inner scale to draw angles. Okay, so in this way we can construct an angle of 90 degree, an angle of 110 degree, an angle of 70 degree, an angle of 30 degree. Whatever angle is given, we have to follow the same process and we can easily construct an angle using protector. Thank you very much.